Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are running Shopify store with Horizon theme and want to boost your sales and conversion without paying any app subscription bill every month, then this tutorial is for you. In this video, I am going to show you how to add 8 scarcity and urgency P chart on your Shopify store that wild with Horizon theme. So, if you are very beginner and you want to make your Shopify general store to conversational store that actually boosts sales, and you want to do this without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, without any previous experience, then you can continue this video. So let's get started. First of all, I want to show you the result. Then I will show you the step-by-step guideline how you can set up, customize, or how you can get it. Everything that is actually required to get this picture to start more sales or get more customers or make it high conversational store for your business. So, I'm recently working with a Shopify real store development that is sport equipment product, and it's wild with Horizon theme. In the previous tutorials I shared how to add this type picture on Shopify Horizon theme without any coding, without hiring any developer, and without any app. And in the continued process, I have started working on the product page. In general, we cannot make a product page that actually boost or increase sales, and that's why we have to add custom picture on free theme, especially on the default free theme like Horizon, Dawn theme, or any others. And that is actually I'm doing from the last 6 years for all of the Shopify store owner. Okay, you can see that I have already added all the picture of this store in the product details page. What we have added, you see, one by one everything. For example, here is the countdown timer, here is the scarcity by now before it sells out, here is the scarcity, and here is the more P chart, you can see. So now I'm going to the backend how you can control or add this type of P chart on your Shopify store that wild with Horizon theme. Okay, so here is my Shopify store admin panel. Then I'm going to click on the online store and then click on the edit theme. Select product page, product, and you see here is the product information. So click on product information. Okay, in the details section, you see add block. I have already added the P chart. For example, if I click on the header folder or group, you see I have added the low stock alert that is customizedly developed. Let's show you again. Here is the low stock alert that is fully customizable. You see, here is the style, here is the emoji, alert message, show when stock is below. You can change everything. Then urgent CTFR. See here is the urgent CTFR, animation plus effect. Here is the animation plus effect. Okay, and you can control everything from here. Then countdown timer. Here is the countdown timer. Then bundle notice. You see, restock notice. Here is the restock notice. Live visitor count. Here is the live visitor count. You have to use this one. For example, let me show you what we have to add. Just setting it up. Okay, you have to setting right this way. Perfect. Click on the save. Then purchase pop-up. Here is the purchase pop-up. You see, we have added purchase pop-up, and here is the customer name, location, time level. Everything is customizable from here, you see. And if I click on the add block, then click on the show all, and now you can see all the 8 urgency and scarcity p chart. For example, bundle notice, countdown timer, inventory progress bar, live visitor count, low stock alert, purchase pop-up, restock notice, urgency CTA var. So I hope you understand p chart of all this urgency and scarcity ready code snippet. And now your question is that why you should use this p chart on your Shopify store product page, especially if you start building your Shopify online store with any free theme like Horizon theme, then you will not find this most necessary and important p chart like scarcity and urgency. That's why your page does not make more sales, or it will not be a conversional or high booster product page. And for that, if you want to increase your sales, boost your sales, then you must have to this must compulsory element on your Shopify product page. And that's why I developed this p chart for all of the Shopify user who started designing their Shopify online store with Horizon theme. So I hope you understand why its importance and why without this p chart your product page does not complete. Okay, now the big question is that how you will get this ready p chart and how to implement. First of all, this is not free because I have to make it by investing a lot of time for a specific theme, and that's why it's only for my client who want to set up this p chart on their Shopify online store, because I'm working as a Shopify developer. So this is available for my client if anyone need this p chart to implement on their Shopify store. Also, I have a course that is freelancing with Shopify. If anyone join in this course, then they will get this ready code snippet for free. This is the actually bundle of code that is very easy to implement and set up. Now I'm going to show you how to implement and set up this p chart. It's very easy, almost super easy, just very simple. You have to go to your Shopify admin panel, then click on this three dot icon, edit code, then simply open the, let me show you, blocks folder. You see blocks folder, open this blocks folder, then you will find this file package, select all, instant of zip file, then directly drag and drop. Let me show you. Drag and drop on this blocks, but as I already complete this process, so I don't require, that's why I'm going to click on the cancel. because I already completed this process. Then you have to update your product information page. Here is the product information page, and you will find this product information page file in this file package. So when you complete this two simple step, you will find this P chart. Then you will find this ready P chart on the product information page under blocks or under your product information customization section. So I hope you understand everything, why you have, why you should use, why you should add this P chart, what is the benefit, how to get it, and how to implement it. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful for you, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.